Amid the spotlight on the Air Max 95's 30th anniversary in 2025, Nike hasn't forgotten about the Air Max 90. Slipping in under the radar, the classic silhouette returns with a refined black and smoke gray colorway that's both versatile and season-appropriate. A stylish contrast of black leather and synthetic mudguards overlays breathable smoke gray mesh, delivering a sleek yet understated look. Matte black eyestays and crisp white branding on the swoosh, tongue, and heel provide sharp definition without stealing the spotlight. A modern metallic mini swoosh on the forefoot adds a subtle upgrade, while the tonal gray Air cassette and matching sole unit hold true to the Air Max 90's heritage. Though the focus this year has leaned heavily on other models, this clean execution proves the Air Max 90 is still going strong. Expect the black and smoke gray edition to hit Nike.com and select retailers this fall, and don't be surprised if it quickly sells out.